Hi students, Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning students, my name is Rohini. Today I explain the trisection of sum. Two students climbed to high found the points of trisection of the line segment joining A is equal to 4 comma minus 1 and B is equal to 2 comma minus 3 has the follows. The given points A is equal to 4 comma minus 1, B is equal to minus 2 comma minus 3. Let P divides Q be the points of trisection of AB. So AP equal to BB equal to QB. P divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. So their ratio M1 is to M2. The formula M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. M2 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. So 1 minus 2 plus 2 into 4 by 1 plus 2. 1 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 by 1 plus 2 equal to 2 minus 2 plus 8 by 3 minus 3 minus 2 by 3. So 6 by 3 minus plus minus 2 plus 8 separate చేస్తే 6 వస్తుంది by 3 cancel 3 ones are 3 twos are minus 5 by 3 equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Next Q divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. So the ratio M1 is to M2 is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. So is equal to 2 minus 2 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 plus 2. 2 minus 3 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 4 plus 4 by 3 comma minus 6 minus 1 by 3. Separate చేస్తే 4 0 వస్తుంది by 3. 6 minus యాడ్ చేస్తే ప్లస్ minus 7 comma by 3. G is equal to 0 comma minus 7 by 3.